The dogs needed a walk, wanted to run. This is where I was at 2 weeks ago on a Wednesday night. If you remember right, I put the apples out. There was a local there was a local Bigfoot sighting in this area. And so I came back here on a Wednesday night and did a little investigation, put some apples out, and remember this tree was laying straight across the path going that way. It is now going this way, and that kind of disturbed me when I found that. And on down there is another tree laying across the path. The agenda for today is to go check on our apples. The snow is still about 11 inches right there in that area, but we had a pretty good melt a couple days ago and got rid of a lot of it. Over in this area is where I placed the apples. Slowly working our way over to that area, but this snow is still really deep right in here. I see no fresh tracks. There wasn't a lot of snow the night I put the apples out, but then we got about a 10 to 12 inch snowfall after that. So we'll work our way back through this heavy snow and see how the apples are doing. The only tracks down here is the ones that my dog has made. She ran before me. Let me see, I think I put one of them right back here in a tree. And it is gone. It is gone. I put it up high enough that a deer couldn't get it. I put it right there. And that is about probably a good 7 feet. I had to climb up on the bottom of this tree to put it up there. It is gone. Let's go check on the other one. Everything is frozen over around here, but any type of animal could eat snow to get some liquids in them. Of course, it takes more energy to consume snow than you use more energy consuming snow than consuming nothing at all. I put the other one right down here in this little area that goes back in. It is gone also. Now, it could have been a raccoon, but they were both high enough a deer could not get to them. Y'all have a great day. We'll catch up with you maybe tonight on a live. Old Woody out for now. Thanks for coming.